Arnis single Sinawali is about single motion striking, one arm strike high, medium, low in sequence.
Handa sa pagpupugay, pugay, no!
Start with fighting position. Then, swing the cane to strike the opponent's temple. Withdraw the cane. Swing it down to strike the opponent's knee. Withdraw the cane and place it above your shoulder. Do the same process on the other side. Right foot forward Sinawali. It is similar to the single Sinawali in stationary position, but the only difference is that the right foot is put forward. Next is single Sinawali with footwork. Step forward with the same foot as the hand making the initial strike. So, if the strike is with the left hand, step with left foot and back and forth. And when the initial strike is with the right hand, step forward with right foot.
Handa sa pagpupugay, pugay, no!
Stationary with partner. Single Sinawali. Right foot forward stance with partner. Footwork in single Sinawali with partner.
Handa sa pagpupugay, pugay, no! Handa sa pagpupugay, pugay, no!
Begin with the right hand up and the left hand tucked under the right shoulder. Then, hit the left temple of the opponent. Retract the right hand to the left shoulder. Strike the opponent's knee with the left hand. Retract the left hand to the left shoulder. The right hand execute backhand strike as if hitting the opponent's right temple. The right hand draw back and place just under the armpit. The left hand execute a forehand strike as if targeting the right temple of your opponent. The right hand execute downward backhand strike as if targeting right knee of your opponent. Repeat the same process. Double Sinawali, right foot forward stance. It is similar to the double Sinawali in stationary position, but the only difference is that the right foot is put forward. Double Sinawali with footwork. Complete the set of 3 strikes, then change foot. First strike, hit the left temple of your opponent. Second strike, hit the left knee of your opponent. Third strike, hit the right temple of your opponent. Change foot and complete the set of 3 strikes.
Handa sa pagpupugay, pugay, ho! Handa sa pagpupugay, pugay, ho!
Double sinawali with partner, stationary stance. Right foot forward stance. Footwork in double sinawali with partner.
Handa sa pagpupugay, pugay, ho!